Children, in today's class, I will be teaching you something very interesting in the world of poem. You know what is that? It is similes. What is it? Similes. So you must all be wondering when I gave you an assignment, not knowing what is similes, right? Don't worry. In today's class, I will explain it in short. Okay. So a simile is a figure of speech, children. Okay, like how we have parts of speech in grammar, just like that, simile is a figure of speech that compares two different things in an interesting way. Two different things in an interesting way. See, completely different thing. Okay, which has no resemblance at all, but we compare them together. What do you mean by resemblance? You can see when a twin baby is born, when they look identical, when they look same, we call it as resemblance. Your uniform is the same as your friend's uniform, isn't it? So that is similar. Okay, correct or not? Okay, now here in simile, we are going to compare two different things in an interesting way. Okay, the object of a simile is to spark an interesting connection in a reader's or listener's mind. It is mostly used in poems, children. Okay, a simile is one of the most common forms of figurative language. Okay, I will tell you few examples of it. Okay, are you all ready for that? Okay, now say, if I say I see somebody very cute. Okay, so what will I do? I'll immediately say as cute as a kitten. As cute as a kitten. What is kitten? Kitten is a small baby of the cat, right? So it looks so cute, isn't it? So I'll say as cute as a kitten. As light as a feather. As light as a feather. As bright as a button. As shiny as a new pin. As cold as ice. As hard as nails. As cool as cucumbers. As tall as a giraffe. As white as a ghost. As sweet as a sugar. As black as a coal. So you all see, right? What did I do? I was comparing certain things. Let's see more of it in today's class. Look at this video. What is this image telling about? You are as skinny as a rail. Okay, this fat fellow is telling a thin fellow as you're as skinny as a rail. Railway tracks rail. Okay. And the other one is saying, and you are a mountain. Got it, children? Okay, the first one, the fat fellow is using a simile. The thin fellow is calling him as a metaphor. He is directly telling him, you look like a mountain. But the other one, the fat fellow is saying, he's comparing the thin man to a rail. Okay, so that is called as a simile. Let's move further. So simile, okay, what do you mean by a simile? An expression that describes something by comparing it to something else, often using like or as. Look at the examples I've taken. Wise as an owl. Solid as a rock. Cool as a cucumber. Howls like the wind. Swim like a fish. Cry like a baby. Quick as a wink. Quiet as a mouse. Grow like a weed. These are the examples. I hope you people are able to catch the exact point. Okay, it is nothing but comparing one with other with its quality. Okay, you understood, children? Moving further. Simile. A simile is a comparison of two things using the words like or as. As sweet as pie. Colorful like crayons. Okay, children? So more examples here are, he crept into the room as quiet as a mouse. Now I was teaching all these while only the comparison part. How to use it in a sentence. Here you can see it. He crept into the room. He crept in the room means, crept means slowly walking in, slowly crawling in. Okay. He crept into the room as quiet as a mouse. As quiet as a mouse. Do you even know that a mouse entering into your home? It is not possible, right? It is very quiet, isn't it? Just like that, this fellow crept into the room. Now they are comparing this fellow's movement with the movement of a mouse. They are showing the similarity. A mouse and the man is totally entirely different, right children? But still they're comparing the action over there. Now look at this. The cloud was fluffy like cotton candy. The cloud was fluffy like cotton candy. You know the cotton candy? Okay, it looks so big, but when you touch it, it is very soft and it is fluffy. So just like that, the cloud looked. You understand? Next one, the snowflakes sparkled like millions of tiny diamonds. The snowflake. What is snowflake? The snow, the ice is okay, the snow which falls. Okay, the snowflake sparkled is shining. Okay, like millions of tiny diamonds. Then the last one, he was as angry as a grizzly bear. Okay, the bear are very angry animal, right? So he was as angry as a grizzly bear. Okay, so this is all I have for simile. Now just watching this video, I hope you can complete the assignment which I had given you all in the earlier class. Thank you children.